Hey YouTube, welcome to Kyle's Kitchen. Today's recipe is going to be brownies for 50 calories each, and they're very simple. It's only going to be 6 ingredients, and I have them out for you right here. We have sweetener, chocolate protein powder, baking powder, unsweetened cocoa powder. This is just all-purpose flour, and then the only wet ingredient you're going to need is unsweetened almond milk. So I'm gonna go ahead and measure these all out, and I'll be right back once I finish that, and we'll get right into the recipe. I measured out all the dry ingredients, so I have them all in this bowl. I have 45 grams of the all-purpose flour, 30 grams of protein powder, 50 grams of the cocoa powder, 3 grams of baking powder, and 40 grams of sweetener. And again, I use this sweetener, so if you have one that's stronger, you can use less. So anyway, I'm just gonna add a little bit of salt. I don't know why, but I just like to add a little bit of salt. And then just mix this up. And I'm gonna show you how easy this recipe actually is, because once we do this, now all you have to do is add 240 milliliters or 1 cup of almond milk, the unsweetened almond milk, and you're gonna add that to the dry ingredients. Okay, and we got, as you can see, a little bit over, but that's fine. And then we're just gonna mix this up until it's like a brownie batter consistency. So here's what it should look like in the end. Kind of like a thick batter consistency. And now it's ready to be put in the pan and put in the oven. Dang, I don't know how big this is. I should have figured that out.
About a foot.
A foot? No, it's not. Pretty sure it's 7 inches.
It's a foot.
Okay, so first thing you want to do, because this recipe is so fast, you want to make sure you preheat your oven right off the bat to 350. And also prepare a brownie pan with some parchment paper. I believe this is a 7-inch brownie pan, 7 by 7. All right, so now we have our brownie batter complete. It's ready to be put into our pan and into the oven. So just pour this right into the pan. Okay, so that's pretty much all of it. And we're just gonna spread it out evenly, and then this is going to go in the oven at 350 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes. Now we wait while my brownies bake.
Just gonna get the seeds out of my squash. If you want to know how to make a squash, comment down below.
Little brownie squash.
Yes, there is a brownie, a butternut squash brownie recipe.
Alright, so the brownies have been in the oven for about 22 minutes, and they look about ready. So I'm gonna take them out. As you can see, the finished product. So we're gonna let these cool. I'm gonna make a little glaze to put on top to take these brownies to the next level, and I'll show you guys how to make that right now. Okay, so for this glaze that we're gonna make, you just wanna take any type of protein powder you want. I happen to have peanut butter flavored protein powder, but you can use whatever flavor you want. I recommend either peanut butter or vanilla. And then we're gonna take some more sweetener, and I'm just gonna add a little bit of salt. Again, just a pinch of salt. So, in a little bowl, we're just gonna take 10 grams of the protein powder. There we go, 10 grams. another 10 grams of the sweetener. And then just like I said, just a pinch of salt. Mix this up. And then just get a little bit of water. A tiny, tiny bit of water. And start to mix that. And I'm just gonna add a little bit more. So once your brownies are cold, you can put this on top. Alright, now our brownies have finished cooling and we're gonna cut them into 9 equal pieces. Alright, here you have it. 9 brownies, 50 calories each, 5 grams of protein each. Now we'll taste it and see how they taste. We'll go with this one. Guys, if you like brownies, you gotta try these. They taste just like regular brownies. Instead of having 1 brownie for 300 calories, you can have 6 of these brownies and have 30 grams of protein. So, it's a win-win. If you do try this recipe, let me know in the comments how it turns out. And if you like this video, please like the video. And if you want to see more low-calorie, healthy recipes, make sure to subscribe to Kylie's Healthy Kitchen and stay tuned for more recipes.